In this last video of our series, we'll show how Flexera's SaaS management module gives you the added layer of granularity by combining costs with usage behavior. This level of detail allows organizations to make informed decisions going to the next SaaS renewal by having a holistic picture of which SaaS applications and subscriptions have been used across the different discovery sources. This includes the browser extension, agent, API connectors, CASB, and SSO, and allows organizations to go into your next SaaS renewal from a place of data and facts rather than estimations. This is especially important in a time when subscription prices are on the rise and IT departments around the world are being tasked with finding cost efficiencies at every opportunity. To do this, you will need to have your various discovery sources configured, so please watch the previous videos in this series on how to set those up. The next step will be to update subscription costs. In this case, let's go to Subscription and Microsoft 365, which we have configured the connector for. We have put in all the subscriptions. We can go to Details, and this is where we can edit the cost. Most importantly, let's look at billing period, cost per unit, purchase date, subscription currency and quantity, and start and end dates. If the API connector has not been configured, or we do not have one out of the box, you can also add them in manually. Go to subscription costs, add subscription, choose the vendor, choose the application, and fill in the details. Most importantly, remember to put in the activity threshold, billing period, cost per unit, purchase date, as well as the start and end dates. This will then combine cost data with usage activity to give a TCO view of SaaS, including total cost, activity, not monitored, and potential savings. We can also show potential savings from inactive subscriptions, no activity, or unassigned subscriptions. For SaaS subscriptions configured with the connector, you'll be able to get an additional layer of data, including usage information, subscription assignment, subscription activity, as well as an overview. Let's look at one of them now. And here we can see total number of purchase, assigned, unassigned, and overassigned, as well as the activity level. Scrolling down and to the right, we can also see utilization percentages, monthly costs, and monthly potential savings. If you click on the Insights tab, you can also see where there are additional recommendations, including subscription downgrades from an E5 to an E3, or even from an E5 to an E1. This is because we are looking at activity at the application level within the subscription. So it gives us a high level of granularity to tell you what people have been using or not. Another good way to drive cost optimization would be to look at activity level. Here we can see over 27,000 subscriptions that have been assigned to users that have never been used. Or we can also look at subscriptions who have been assigned to users that have not been used recently. Let's take these recommendations a step further and look where users could be double assigned a subscription. Come back to subscriptions. And let's look at Adobe Creative Cloud. If we go to users, and let's look at this user here, we can see that he has been assigned both an Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription as well as a Creative Cloud All App subscription. And this represents massive potential savings across the entire organization. Now that you've seen how Flexera addresses the challenges of SaaS visibility, security, and costs across the different discovery methods, the next step will be to try this out for yourself. Please reach out to Flexera or to your assigned managed service partner for a comprehensive demonstration on the technology in action. If you'd like more information, please visit our website or Flexera documentation. Thank you.